National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ardmore, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Maudeal, Tishomingo, Lone Grove, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Ravia, Gene Autry, Reagan, Rossville, northwestern Lake Murray, and Oakland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.